Yes, hello everyone. Then you come closer. I'm trying to do plastic bottles using the covers. So maybe you can come closer and see. Okay, come closer. You show them. This is a plastic bottle cover. These are all plastic bottle covers, right? So I'm trying to make a flow out of this waste because in most cases they waste it by dumping them at the trash bins or landfills, and sometimes it's just burnt. But when you use it again, this becomes another construction material free of charge, right? So you can pick it from anywhere in your area and use it to build houses, right? So you don't need to go and buy tiles and so on, which are slightly expensive. So you can show them all the things we've done, and we have some guys who are nice at doing the job. Indeed, do you have something to say? Anyway, that's a joke. So we are trying to make the flow. So, and it looks so nice. And we've made two different ones from the other end. All we are using the plastic covers. So we've tried to use here different designs, different colors, and we bring out something nice. So it depends on your wish, what you like to do, and how you like us to do it. But it's something very simple to make, very simple. Or sometimes, if you are committed, it becomes simple. If you are not committed, then it becomes hard. Yeah. So if you need something like this, you contact us.